Upon reflection on my summer experience at JPLA, I can say that the major impacts from my personal leadership awareness, effective collaboration and content, and building powerful PD skills to use with future staff as a lead learner. The awareness of both personal perception and the reaction of others was one of the most impactful takeaways from the summer session. To be an effective leader, you need to understand how you operate before you begin to use your strengths and work with others. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. I feel rejuvenated as an educator. As I potentially enter my final year as a classroom teacher, I am the most prepared with methods and best practices to use with my students in PLC. I will have the authentic experiences to share with future staff to encourage vertical collaboration and personal growth as educators. Helping students reach their maximum capacity is great, but having teachers reach capacity is a goal that all lead learners have to improve their collaborative culture. Finally, the importance of delivering effective PD will not only increase the buy-in from the staff, but also models impactful teaching, adding to their toolkits. This skill was improved throughout multiple sessions as we were asked to deliver material. Each delivery gave me an opportunity to add resources to my toolkit for effective teaching. This summer session was key in creating a close bond with my cohort members. My leadership styles and goals have evolved to what I want my future school community to feel when I become an effective leader. The relationships offered by this once-in-a-lifetime experience will be significant in my own personal journey for years to come.